Hey y'all, this is Brenda from Slapout Homestead, and today we're going to can some carrots. Now I'm going to use a regular mouth jar because it doesn't really matter on these. These are easy to get out with a narrow neck jar, not like the meat. The meat's a little harder to clean the jar afterward. So I'm just going to put the baby carrots in one and the bigger carrots in the other until I get what I want. Now here's a secret on doing these carrots that will save you a lot of work. You don't have to peel them unless you really want to, but if you don't peel them, you need to blanch them, and that's just blanching 5 minutes in boiling water, and then you put them in your ice water bath. So I'm going to keep on getting these in the jars, and I'll come back when it's time to put them in the canner. I had no idea there were that many carrots there. 2, 4, 6, 8. And look, I told you I had purple ones. Can you see that? Can you see that? Purple. I forgot to mention, before they go into the canner, we add hot water. So we add hot water up to the 1 inch. And then we put our lids and bands on. And we wipe off the top, just in case any junk and stuff got on there. And then we put our lids and bands on, and they go right in the pressure canner. Alright, we are in the pressure canner. Bringing our water up to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. I already oiled my gasket. And here are our lovely carrots. Look how beautiful. 9 pints of carrots from just a thinning. The one thing I want to mention is I did spend extra, and I got white, yellow, orange, and purple carrots. But if you notice, they're all the same color in the jar. No difference at all. So, fancy colored carrots, yeah, they're great when you harvest them. They look really cool coming out of the ground. But once you cook them, they all look the same. Isn't that funny? Okay, well, that's carrots for you. It's cool because now I have chicken in my pantry, I have chicken broth in my pantry, I have carrots in my pantry, and I have rice in my pantry. Or even noodles. So I could come up with some killer chicken soup, even if there's no power. Love y'all. God bless. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.